Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you happy and well. So in today brief, Christmas is a time of joy and decoration. Our home makes it even more special. Today let's see some simple and beautiful Christmas decoration using Jute is nature friendly and give a warm mystic look. First you can make a jute Christmas tree skirt. Just wrap jute cloth or a jute jug around the bottom of your tree. It will look cozy and farmhouse style nest egg. Jute bark kits instead of shining paper. Cover your present with jute fabric or rope and ribbon cones or a small ornaments on top, and it looks so charming. For a warm touch, make your jute garland twist. Thread the rope and add little bells or red bow. Hang it on your Christmas tree, mantle, and staircase. You can also create jute candles holder, warp a glass jar with jute rope, put a candle or fairy lights inside it, make a soft golden glow. Another idea is jute star ornaments. Cut cardboard into star, warp with jute and hang them on your tree. Add a little glitter for spark. For the dining table, use a jute table runner or placement. Decorate with pins, leaves, berries, and candles. Your table will look warm and festive. If you like wall decor, make a jute wall hanging. You can write like macrame and small ornaments or ribbon. Don't forget jute basket. Fill them with pinnacles, ornaments, or even Christmas candies, and place them around the house. For the door, make it jute warp away the rain with jute drop. Then add ribbon, berries, or flowers, and lastly try jute snowflakes. Shapes the rope into snowflakes and hang them on window or walls for a handmade winter touch. With just a little creative, simple jute can turn into magical Christmas decoration. Which idea will you try first? We will make small tabletop trees by wiping cones made of cardboard or foam with jute drop. Add mini ornaments or for rustic look. Wipe on the photos frame with jute drop and add tiny Christmas accents like bells, star, or holly leaves. Display family photo for a cozy touch. Sewing simple Christmas stocking for jute fabric. Decorate them with lace buttons or felt cutouts and hang them by the fireplace. Make lantern by jute drop around balloons, then popping the balloon once it dries with glue. Place fairy lights inside for a glowing effect. Jute tree ornaments, creative small shapes like heart, star, or Christmas bells with jute and hang them on the tree for a natural farmhouse vibe. Jute wine bottle cover wine or juice bottles with jute fabric and tie with red ribbon, perfect for Christmas dinner or as a gift idea. Make round coaster by rolling and glowing jute drop in circle. Add a red ribbon bow for Christmas style. Fill a glass vase with pins, branches, ornaments, and free lights. Then warp the vase with jute drops. Place it at the center of your table. Make rustic cotton ties using jute drop. Add small pink